truly
of 53 to
amazing.
55 degrees.
It's overwhelming and breathtaking.
At the base, you see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars. You'll notice the roofs on both buildings
Overwhelming.
appear to have wires coming
It's
out of them.
amazing what God
This
gives
is
man
called
the
the
knowledge
takeoff
to do.
structure. From the takeoff structure, the
I'm a
wires
little
carry the
afraid to look over
electricity
the side,
up
but
and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the
we're up
canyon.
extremely high. I
These
don't
are
know how many
cantilever
feet high we're
towers
up,
designed
but
to ensure that the
it's
wires do
probably
not
in the
touch the walls
thousands.
of the canyon and short out.